welcome to The Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. We are making blueberry smoothies today on the menu with homemade hemp milk. Let's get right into it, guys. Come inside. Alright guys, let me go ahead and show you what I'm working with today. About 2.5 bananas, frozen blueberries, fresh blueberries. We have some Brazilian nuts, good for, has selenium in it, which is good for your thyroid. We have the hemp hearts, which are the inside of the hemp seeds. This is going to be the hemp milk today, okay? We have organic maple syrup. We have ginger root for anti-inflammatory. We have cinnamon for the blood pressure. We have the fresh mangoes. This is pretty much what we're going to be doing. We're going to go ahead and put it in the blender. We're going to strain this for the hemp milk. Let's get right to it, guys. All right, so for my small kitchen appliances, you can use any type of blender, fine mesh strainer with a bowl, and I have a Ninja right here. I went ahead and added my hemp hearts to the water, and I'm going to go ahead and blend this. About a minute, and that's all you need. Okay, this is all done. With the hemp hearts, this stuff is the meaty portion of the hemp seeds. This is the inside. This is what you want to use. You can use the whole seed, but it's going to be a little bit more grittier, okay? Let me go ahead and show you what this looks like up close. This right here is golden. This is golden. You could drink it just like this if you want, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to strain it. We're going to pour it in here, just like that. You see that? We're going to get rid of this. And this, my friend, is yummy. I absolutely love this. And you can tell by the consistency and the thickness that when you swirl it around, okay, it sticks to the side of the bowl. This is some really good homemade hemp milk, guys. All right? So let me show you a little bit of the tricks of the trade. You can go ahead and take any type of ball jar, any type of cup, and you can go ahead and swirl this around and press it down. Do you see that? So you get more of it. All right? So we're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of that. We're going to get rid of this. And we're going to get rid of this. So this right here is what we're going to use. We're going to be making 2 smoothies right there. Take your cap off, okay? We're going to go ahead and put like a half a cup. Then we're going to go ahead and put the frozen blueberries in. I want to give it more sweetness, but natural sweetness. So we're going to go a little bit of the maple syrup. We're going to go the cinnamon for the blood pressure. Selenium with the Brazilian nuts, right? Keep it going, keep it going. A little bit, just one little ginger root for anti-inflammatory. And what's anti-inflammatory? Decreases, reduces, does not eliminate the inflammation in your body. Okay? Then we have the bananas. Boom, boom, boom. We got some leftover hemp hearts for the toppings of that. We got a little bit of blueberries. We have some sliced mangoes. And we're probably going to save this little banana. Okay? So now you have that, right? So now what we need is a little bit of this. This stuff is so good. We're going to pour some in like that. We don't want it too thin, okay? Beautiful on that one right there. We're going to go ahead and put the top on. We're going to give it a little mix. This is a pen press. This is glass. Not too sure of the year because I didn't look at the bottom, but still. Liquefy. blend. And I think that's going to be it. I'm going to go ahead and pour this right in front of you guys. Take out this straw. This comes right out. This is the thickness that I'm looking for. Ready? Here you go. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. We're going to go ahead and do the other one. Put the straw on there. Take this straw out. Here you go. Blueberry Bliss homemade hemp milk, guys. Just about enough in there. Just shy, but that's okay. We're going to put that down. Put that straw on there. Get rid of this. I'm going to make one up right here, okay? We're going to do some blueberries on the top. They're not going to sink because it's nice and thick, right? Right in the middle. I'm going to give you an up-close personal on this. We're going to take some hemp hearts and we're going to swirl it around the blueberries, like so. We're going to add a little bit of more blueberries on top, right? With some sliced mango flanking out the sides on the top. We're going to get some light ones is what we're going to do. We're going to fill it in with a little bit of more blueberries. Just a tad. And top it off with some hemp hearts. And that is it, my friend. That right there is looking phenomenal. Let me give you a close-up. Wow. Seriously? Look at that. Right there, guys. That is awesome. A little bit more of a close-up. Beautiful, beautiful. Outstanding. I can taste the maple syrup, the cinnamon, definitely the blueberries, the hemp milk. This, my friend, is power packed with your good fats, your good sugars, anti-inflammatory, everything underneath the sun. Again, my name is Joseph. Thank you for watching The Vegan Spice. Be safe, be well, and be yourself, guys. Thanks for watching.